cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for pink. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yard. Z for zebra.